Omega Bounty Hunter. I haven't done one yet, but there's only one way to learn. So let's see if this strategy works. Try some Wastelanders. See if they can do something for me. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's see if we can't kill a few more. So far, so good. Again, we'll just live and learn as we go. All right, let's take out the air. No, okay, don't want that. All right, we're going to retreat these guys. This guy here we should be able to get rid of with Dopplers. So let's see if this works. So far, so good. All right, now what we're going to do is put these guys right here, put them on hold, deselect them. We're going to bring in Dev. See if Dev can't pull these guys out, and then while they're attacking Dev, we'll kill the bounty hunter. We'll see if it works. Time will tell. All right. Now let's see if we can't kill a few of these guys. All right, that wasn't too bad. Took some damage. Okay, deselect them. Come on, Bounty Hunter, where are you? There we go. Got it. All right, so that's one way to do it. Yeah, I can't get anything because I already have it. All right, so there you have it. Let's see how much damage we took. That was amazingly easy for the first try. But let's see what happens. Start repairs. 52 seconds for my Dopplers. Finish now. 2 minutes. And then what about the Wastelanders? 5 minutes and 59 seconds, which means take out a couple of them. Instant repair. Wastelanders, instant repair. All right, go and do the